Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Wargo, and today on the show I'm going to be doing a fun little taste test. My good buddy William Gabriel sent me a bunch of these TikToks where people are literally putting candy bars into their coffee and then pouring hot coffee all over the candy bar, and I was like, that sounds really weird. I don't think it would work. And then he was like, maybe you should do it for YouTube, and I was like, thanks for the idea. I'm going to be done with the video after I do that because that sounds super easy. So that's what I'm doing today. I have got 3 different candy bars. I've got a cookies and cream Hershey's to have a little cookies and cream with my coffee. Sounds amazing. I've got a Reese's. This one, my favorite candy, but I'm not sure how it's going to work in coffee. Probably not well. We'll see. And I've got a York peppermint patty. I thought peppermint and coffee might be good, so I thought, let's try this. The coffee I'm using is from Forge Coffee Roasters. They are a small company, small business, located in Los Angeles. The coffee is fantastic, and if you're looking for a small business to support, I'll put their link in the bio. Their coffee's amazing. Let me know if you give it a try. So here's what we're gonna do. I've got 3 mugs here. I am going to open up each candy and just place them in there and pour hot coffee on it. That's how this is gonna go today. I'm just gonna break this up so it gets in there. Okay, that's the peppermint patty. We've got our cookies and cream right here. Okay, this is so silly. And then we've got a Reese's peanut butter cups. And I'm gonna break this one open. And I just brewed this pot of coffee, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. Yum. Maybe. Most likely. Okay, and then we're just gonna let the chocolate melt a little bit. I don't know what this is gonna be like. It sounds like it's just gonna taste like a candy bar and coffee. Like, I don't think it's gonna be special. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, this is already melting. Okay, so I'm gonna stir the cookies and cream one up. There's all these chunks in there. Okay. There's just chunks. Look at all these chunks. I'm gonna let that one sit a little longer. Then we're gonna stir up the Reese's one. I love Reese's. Like, I'm a big fan. I don't know. I don't know that I needed it with coffee, but we'll see. And then the peppermint patty. Okay. Look at it down at the bottom. This is so weird. Why do people do this? Okay, I'm gonna give this cookies and cream one a try. So that's what it looks like. You can see that at the top there's all these Crispies. I don't know, guys. I am not gonna lie. That is really good. That's really sugary good. The Crispies at the top, they're weird for coffee, but wow. That's really tasty. All right, now let's try the Reese's one. Guys, like, this is pretty good. I don't know why. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I wasn't expecting this at all. The light peanut butter flavor in the coffee is, oh, who would have thought that would be good? Why is that good? Why are you good? It's probably because at the end of the day, there's just like a ton of sugar in these candy bars and it's just diluting into coffee. So it's like really, really sugary coffee. Oh my God. This one's not really dissolving that well in the coffee. So now we're gonna try our York peppermint patty coffee. Let's see. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's the one I thought would work best. I thought this would work least. This one I wasn't sure about. Okay, so now that I've tried, I'm gonna try it one more time. No on the peppermint patty. No. These two are amazing. The cookies and cream and the Reese's. I'm gonna try them once each time and then I'm gonna label a winner because that's what I've decided I'm gonna do. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. This one's better. This one, probably because there's cream in there or something, but damn, that's delicious. This cookies and cream in a coffee, wow, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Reese's is a close runner-up. Who also would have thought? Have I started talking faster since I've been recording this video? Have you noticed? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you try this, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I hope you like it, but I don't know why you would try it. But maybe do it, and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And have a wonderful day in the universe. Eat a cookie, Zen Cream coffee. Cheers.